Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change font size in Yahoo Mail. Or firstly, go to Yahoo first. In this Yahoo Mail, here's the body. You can type anything. And if you want to change the font size, you have to click on this, and then you'll find here font. Choose font, and then you'll find many font you want. Here's the font. Click on this, and you'll find this small, medium, large, or any font you want, like just double T. Small, it will be small like this, and if you want it large, then just do it again and click on huge, it will be huge. So this is how you can change font size in Yahoo Mail. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.